How's it going, guys? It's your host with the most, Solaris 100, and I just got the notification that there has been a delivery from Nike at my local post office. So I thought it would be fun that we go there together, pick up and see what I got. The thing about Hamburg is that it's a great city, but the weather can be super shit. But as you see now, the sun is shining, so it's just the perfect day to hit the streets and just have a look around, man. Another thing I love about Hamburg is that there's so much street art and a lot of stickers everywhere. Actually, in London is in that respect much cleaner. You don't have that many stickers around. But here in Hamburg, it's full of it. So that's pretty cool. Okay guys, I got the merchandise, so let's go by the river, chill out and check out these bad boys. Brah! Yeah, okay guys, we're here at the river Elbe, the famous river that flows through Hamburg, and yeah, I think this is a cool spot to do my review. But before we're gonna start, I do need a little bit of breakfast, okay? Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's do this. Yeah! Nike's releases have been crazy lately. If you have the sneaker app installed, you know what I'm talking about. I actually got somebody on Instagram to holler at me and go like, dude, man, you need to review these shoes. If you are not following me on Instagram and Twitter yet, you definitely should. So I went on the sneakers app and I got the shoes and they just got delivered. And yeah, here they are. Let's check them out. Ta-da! Nike's back. Okay, here we have a nice red Nike box, as you might have already guessed it, maybe from the description in the video. I'm unboxing my first Air Max. Yes kids, that's true. I'm not an Air Max person. I haven't rocked a pair of Air Max in my life. But when this thing dropped, I think the colorway was so crazy and dope and fresh and loud and I definitely wanted to at least see them in the flesh. So here we are together checking them out. Oh, whoops. Good that I'm wearing glasses, man, because this colorway is hard. Yes, as you might have guessed it, it's the Air Max 98 QS. Let's get these shoes out of the box and have a closer look at them. So yeah, here they are, the Nike Air Max 98. As you know, I got a bit of a thing for ugly shoes. I don't know, because they're always just a little bit more special and they're just a little bit more divisive, and the Nike Air Max 98 is definitely a divisive shoe. But now Nike really tries to push the silhouette. They already released a couple of other colorways, for example the Gundam colorway and the denim one. Now they released it in this crazy colorway, and personally I'm really digging it, because what's the point of wearing bland shoes, right? Especially if you're splashing out quite a lot of money for it. I think this was like 170 euros retail, so definitely not a cheap shoe. Why not flex a little bit with them? Let's go into the details. As you can see, you have the exposed air bubble all the way through the sole. You got these crazy orange, purple, gray and teal accents on the shoe. You got this lime green embroidered swoosh, and you got the heel tab in teal and with what looks to me a little bit like 3M. Actually, on further inspection, I think the whole thing is 3M. All this kind of lining around the shoe, which I think is pretty cool. But now let's talk about the details of the shoe, which maybe makes it a little bit more weird. And I think it's all these kind of weird patches they added on the shoe. Like this one, for example. This shoe has not been designed by Tinker Hatfield, so I think the person on the job was a little bit more playful, just slapping some crazy shit on that shoe. So if you have a look at the sole, you can see it's like the Nike Air cushioning, but of course teal, purple, black and orange, so you got all the colors of the shoe represented on the sole as well. Looking inside, you got this really clean Nike Air logo there with the lime green swoosh. I think I really dig them. The colors are crazy, but it's one of these rare cases where you put a lot of fugly colors together and suddenly, as by magic, they work. I'm pretty sure for you it's going to be a love-hate situation, but I feel if you're combining these shoes with something a little bit more subtle, they can really work, and they can be a really big eye catcher, and you enter a room and you're flexing and all the hot chicks are looking at you going like, damn man, that guy is fresh, I want to go home with him. So yeah, that is my review of the Nike Air Max 98 QS in the Dolphin Miami Heat whatever colorway. Let me know in the comments if you're loving the shoe, if you're hating the shoe, if you copped them, what you think about the Nike Air Max 98 in general. Let me know in the comments. You can get in touch as well through Twitter and Instagram at Solaris100. So enjoy the rest of the day, have a great weekend guys, and I'll chat to you guys later. And remember, life is too short for wearing boring shoes. Bye. Whoa.